Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by opening settings so you can change the taskbar behavior immediately. Once done, press Windows key plus I or click Start and choose Settings. This gets you straight to system controls. Now head to Personalization, then Taskbar. This is where alignment and related options live. Make sure you're signed into an admin account because you might need elevated rights for registry changes later. You're set to take the first actionable step. Expose the taskbar controls you'll modify next. Now you'll change the actual alignment setting. In Taskbar, click Taskbar Behaviors to expand that section. You'll find an alignment dropdown. Select Center and watch the taskbar icons move. This is immediate feedback, and it's how Windows 11 centers your start and app icons. If the alignment option is missing, don't panic. Make sure to check for updates and then prepare to use the registry editor method described next, because sometimes builds or policies hide the UI control. To finalize, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in so changes persist across sessions. If the settings panel didn't offer center, use the registry editor carefully, export the key as a backup before editing, then set the taskbar alignment word. Once changed, restart Explorer to apply. If things go wrong, update Windows, inspect group policy or management profiles, and run SFC or DISM to repair system files. This single troubleshooting tip fixes many hidden or blocked alignments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.